girl, you slim and flat. Me wicked, I me fi come tell you that. Me a move, me a move, me a move. And little girl, you a good friend, my friend. Me a move, me a move, me a move. And little girl, you a good friend, my friend. Your friend, my friend, on your regular.
Come. Hey, it's beautiful.
Hey John,
Look, it's very good, very good.
Yeah, something very.
Hey, come on, Nixon. What's happening, like? Come on. Hey.
Hey, come on. Hey.
Today I have decided to make you all free. Since you all have traveled, you might be tired. But from tomorrow onwards, the coaching in the camp will be very strict. I hope you all will cooperate with me. Definitely, sir. Because this type of camp is only over here. This is our government's special instruction. So it's my duty to bring you up.
To get name and fame for you, we are ready to sacrifice anything.
Now you all take a rest. We'll meet in the evening.
Yay! See you, sir.
Okay.
See you, sir.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you so much, sir. Wow. I think this is enough for us.
Yeah?
Yeah. Wow, not bad, huh?
Friend, come and see.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh,
Oh, it's very good, very good.
See there?
Come on, it's very good.
hey, look at that, John.
It's beautiful, see there.
Really good, no?
Oh, it's very, very fantastic. Oh, it's good.
Usually, this kind of celebration is not allowed. But
As a music director, I'm going to say,
Music director? You?
not yet. I'll become. I have confidence.
my Nixon, good situation. Don't spoil me mood. Oh, don't come with this guitar.
Don't insult me without my music. One day, you will come to know about me.
Nixon, can you sing one love song? At least 2 lines.
Do you believe in my song?
Yes. Your song has touched my heart. I don't know when and where. It has moved me in several incidents.
me like that.
When will you become mine?
Me? I'm always Clifford's.
Are you in this world?
I'm dreaming.
Cheers! Cheers!
Give me a sign! Give me a sign! Give me a sign!
Hilda, I'm sorry.
How long I can wait for you?
I can't come because they're still asleep.
If I come to camp, I thought I can spend some time with you freely. But who knows it will happen like this?
What should I do now?
You must come earlier if you want to see me.
I think it's not too late. I faced so many difficulties just to meet you. My love, which I can't explain you through words.
Do you think the same love I don't have with you?
Then why are you worried?
That is to see you. How I came here. The same way. Why don't you come?
Okay. Anyhow, I have reached it. Tell me, what do you want?
What I had in my mind, I have told you, Jack.
We had been so close together. Let me tell you one thing. Throughout my life, I love you.
Jackson,
Hilda.
my darling.
Hilda. throughout my life, I will love you. Turn to your left. Okay.
Come on, yeah.
Get on. In this camp, the practice is very difficult. So we should eat well. Not only for our health, but for our mental fitness also.
Whatever you say, the shape of the chapati will always remain in my mind.
What is the relationship between chapati and music?
Can you see the shape of the chapati?
Of course.
This shape is formed from a record player, and so?
And so this is it.
Guys, no, they're not allowing me to sleep, you know. That fellow plays guitar and disturbs me a lot, you know. I told him, yeah, he's not hearing. Yes, Illa, you believe in my voice. I'm not joking. You want me to repeat? I can't.
Oh my God.
Yes, you're looking so beautiful.
Hilda?
Clifford, what happened?
I want to tell you something.
Yes, go ahead.
That's something.
Hey Clifford, I have some doubt to clear.
No doubt. One day I'm going to be a music director.
That is what I doubt.
Whatever a music director needs, I have it.
Then, why did you change your track as an athlete?
For my parents' sake.
It's a waste.
I know that. By mistake once I won in the sports, and so my parents told me to join athletics.
Then what happened at last?
Music and sports both are confused here.
I don't think you will ever come out of this confusion.
Hi, Hilda.
Bye, Clifford.
Hilda is my life. At any cost, I must own her. Even though I have to overcome many problems, I have to choose the right time to pour my heart.
Hey look, master is coming.
Hey, master, yeah.
Ah!
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Hello!
How are you,
Yeah.
My dear students, how are you?
Fine, sir. You're all fine.
Come on, let's move.
Come on, let's go.
According to our government's decision, we are conducting this camp for you. Our sports association has full confidence. The main is...
Hi. I never thought of attending a camp like this.
Yes, you are right. We must cooperate to make it a success.
You don't worry about shot put. I'm sure I'll get the gold medal. What about you?
Tomorrow I am going to take a complete rest.
Mm-hmm.
Then you get ready now itself.
Oh God.
Are you scared?
You should be careful before throwing. If you throw before me, it's natural I'll get scared.
My elder Vicky John. What will happen to me?
You don't bear anything. Just keep your body fit as an athlete.
It's not my fault for my structure.
Exactly. You control yourself while eating. Do you know P.T. Usha?
Yeah, I know her very well. I have taken a snap with her. You know,
Do you know Monica Seles?
I know her. I have seen her in TV.
You know Steffi Graf?
Yeah, she's great.
You know Martina Navratilova?
I know.
I have a list of world famous players.
Why are you telling all this to me?
To know, to learn. Have you seen their body structure?
Why should I see?
They're slim beauty, not like you bulky.
Bulky? To throw shot put, I must be bulky, is it? Wait. See my strength.
I'm afraid of all this. Please don't show me your muscles. Whenever I see you, something happens to me. I don't know how I'm going to manage you. Please, be on diet.
I can't diet myself, my body, and my ambition.
Ambition? What?
I must enter my name in the Guinness Record book for my figure.
Only Jackson can bear you. Jesus, save Jackson. Jack, what time will the practice start tomorrow?
You should get up at 5 o'clock. Before 6, you must be in the ground. Sleep fast. It's already 9. Good night.
Why don't you all sleep? It's time.
We will sleep. You go to bed first.
If the light is switched on, how will I sleep?
Okay, I'll off the lights.
Thank you.
Nixon. What is this, Nixon?
I am in a good mood. I'll play an old song of Michael Jackson's film.
Oh, my dear Nixon. Please leave me alone. Don't disturb me.
Music. So many people doesn't know music. In that, one is you.
Uh-huh.
For music, there is no death. You know that truth?
Oh, we don't know anything about it. What do you want?
Through music, I'll say what is in my heart, and you must hear.
What? Should I hear?
Yes.
It's time for me.
Time for what?
It's time for me to sleep, Baba. Good night.
Nixon, can you sing one sweet love song? Okay. I mean, you want a love theme? Yes.
Oh God. Nixon, to make you music director, I will do anything you want. But please don't disturb me. Please stop. If you want to play in the morning. Clifford, please go to sleep. Please, Baba.
Thank God. At least you are there to understand me.
Wicked.
I wanted to tell you the same.
In the college campus, you were always roaming with me.
You may be knowing the rules of this camp.
Why can't you spare a few minutes for chatting?
This is not the time for an argument. Everything after the practice.
That'll do.
I think there is a real thrill in the love making. What did I tell? Love affair is a thrill. But everything has got limit. Oh, it's too late. Come on.
how to adjust the time to talk freely with Hilda. Whenever I try, someone or the other with her. Maybe she is also loving me. And the way of thinking also will be the same.
So, what happened? We are coming down on that ledge. Hey, Clifford, what are you doing here?
Let's arrange for a tour program today.
No, I'm sorry.
What do you mean by sorry? Nowadays you look very dull.
Yes, you're right.
No, nothing like that.
Then what happened? If you talk freely to somebody, you'll be relaxed.
Nothing has happened.
Leave it. Come with us.
No, I'm not in the mood.
That's why we want you to come with us.
Sorry.
Okay, John. Let's move.
It is totally waste. Somehow or the other, I have to meet her alone. She must be unaware of me. She should realize the sincere love of mine. Yes. This is the right time. I shouldn't waste it.
Hilda, it's me.
Clifford, you?
Yes, it's me.
Clifford, behave yourself.
We are alone. Give me...
You? Come.
We never expected this kind of behavior from you.
How dare you do that?
A bad impression for us because of you. Who will choose a friend like you?
Never expected such a cheap behavior from you.
Do you expect this kind of a behavior from a student?
You shouldn't have behaved like this with Hilda.
No, I don't want to hear anything. I have decided not to keep this kind of person in this camp. So you are suspended.
Hilda, my love. She has not realized how much I love her. One day or the other, I hope she will come to know about me. Yes.
Hilda, I don't believe that.
No, don't keep saying that. What fun listening?
Oh, I don't believe that.
Hey. I told you he can't make any. No.
Hey, Clifford. Come on. Why are you sitting alone?
Nothing. Just loneliness. That's what I want.
Wait, Jackson. I'll call him and come. Why are you sitting alone, Clifford? What happened?
Hey, I prefer loneliness.
Stop this rubbish. If you like, join with me.
Okay, done.
I know about Clifford.
Then come. Come and join with us.
I know about your
Don't be
family also.
fussy. Come.
He'll come.
Jack, I won the game.
I
Hilda,
Huh?
1 minute.
What, Clifford?
I want to tell you something that...
Yeah, tell me. Hey, Clifford.
Oh, God.
Clifford, I've been searching for you everywhere. Since morning, I'm searching around.
Why?
Yesterday you told me to come for shopping. I want you to accompany with me.
Will shopping stop in my absence?
Hi, Hilda. How do you do?
Fine, Jackson. Jack, I was coming to take you.
What's the matter?
I'll tell you later.
Bye, Clifford.
Bye-bye.
Clifford, you won't come with me?
You go, I join you later.
Me alone? Without you?
At this moment, alone will do.
Hilda, at this moment of now, you are in my heart. I am in yours.
Sometimes.
The reason of my birth, I see in you. It's very hard to find the words to praise your beautiful face.
You don't worry about it. I'm in front of you.
I am only telling that you have beautiful eyes, wonderful cheeks, and lovely lips. What not? Everything in one person. God has specially made for me. What else I want?
Who told you that it belongs to me?
Then,
My body, my heart, everything belongs to Jackson only.
darling,
Jackson.
It's hot. I think it's time. It's hot. I think it's time. It's hot. I think it's time. It's hot. I think it's
I'm really very happy that all you have cooperated with us.
It's our duty, sir.
Everyone took keen interest in various items, so I was relaxed.
All the credit goes to you, sir.
This camp and this experience must ever remain in your hearts.
Though Richard sir is very strict in practice, mentally he is very good.
Is there a doubt about it?
Many genuine players are brought up by him. He is really great.
It's a luck. Hi, Clifford.
Hello.
Are you searching for me?
No,
Then who else?
nothing. Just came out for a stroll.
Shall I join with you?
Clifford, let her join with you. She's trying for you from a long time back.
Please, Clifford.
I expected more from you. Affection. At this moment of love. Sweetheart. Loving smile.
Then what? Everything is for Clifford, if you accept.
Okay. Why are you so dull? Go and refresh yourself.
Okay, Dad. Okay, Mom. See you, Dad.
Take rest.
Yeah.
What's your plan after he studies?
That is up to him. I am keen about his future, but I won't interfere in his matters. Let him choose his own way. Okay, darling. Cheers.
Cheers.
Hilda, did you inform your uncle that you're coming back?
Yes, I did.
Listen, don't tell anybody that Clifford misbehaved with you in the camp, okay?
No, I won't. I've already forgotten that.
That's good.
Mommy? Mommy?
Oh, you have come. How are you, uncle? Fine. I'm right here. You didn't go to office today? No. Tell me, how was the camp? It was fantastic. Hilda, go and wash yourself and have some bite. No need, uncle. On our way we had.
You ate more than me, Jackson, isn't it?
For your company. Uncle, I had to go. Bye, uncle. I won't say that. Bye, auntie.
Bye.
Take care.
Okay.
Clifford,
Yes, Dad.
why have you locked up yourself in this room?
Just like that, I don't feel like going out.
But how do you manage yourself in this room all alone?
I was just thinking about everything that took place in the camp.
Oh, I forgot to ask you. How was the camp and its surroundings?
Very nice, Dad.
You know something? Your coach, Mr. Richard, is a very good friend of mine. And is very brilliant too.
I know.
Come on, eat something. Your mom is waiting for you.
You go ahead, Dad. I'll come and join with you later.
Okay, come soon.
Yeah. Will Richard tell Dad? that he has suspended me from the camp. If he does so, what will I say? Hello, it's me, Clifford.
Clifford, what do you want?
I have to talk to you.
That's why you rang up, isn't it? Go on.
Yes, I rang up because I have to clarify the wrong impression which you have on me.
No.
I'm answerable to my conscience, whatever it is. According to my conscience, I'm innocent.
You know, Clifford, how to sweeten your lies.
No, that's the truth. What all happened, it's due to you.
Due to me? I don't want to hear anything about this.
You don't know or you don't want to. You know something?
I don't want to hear anything.
Hilda! Hilda!
Hey, come on, you two. It's time for dinner.
No, I don't feel like eating, Ma.
Why? What's the matter? Are you all right?
I'm all right. I would like to take only a glass of milk.
Then why don't you come?
All right, let me eat something.
Now listen how them style I dedicate to each and every one. That's like that. Listen my girl, you slim and flat. Me wicked, I me free come tell you that. Me a move, me a move, me a move. A little girl, you a
You mean to say Clifford rang up?
Yeah, I didn't expect it.
What he had to say to you?
Nothing particular.
Then he rang up and said nothing?
But I disconnected the line.
Good. If he does it again, don't take it serious, okay?
Okay, I've already decided that. Not to take it seriously.
I know, darling. I know about you. Clifford? What the hell do you think?
What do you mean?
I heard that you're torturing Hilda.
Did Hilda say that?
Doesn't matter whether it is said or not. Is it true?
I must be having thousands of problems with me. Do you think I should be discussing everything with others?
This is not the answer I wanted.
Why I should be answerable to you?
Mommy! Mommy?
Yes, dear, what's it?
Mommy, I'm going to meet Mr. Jackson.
Oh my God, I don't know about that. Ask your dad.
Oh, Mommy, I'll be back soon.
Look, honey, don't ask me all that. There, your daddy's coming. Ask him.
Okay, I'll ask him.
Let her go, Annie. Where are you going?
To meet Jackson.
What's in there? You can go.
Oh, thank you, Daddy.
You must return fast.
Okay, thank you. Bye, Mommy.
Hilda, don't disconnect the line.
Oh, Clifford. Is it you?
Yes, it's me.
Why did you ring up at this time?
Yes, I know. I know this is not the right time to call, but I got to talk to you.
What's the matter?
I just want an opportunity to open up my heart. That is exactly what I want. Just tell me when, where.
Don't you have anything else to do?
Again disconnected.
You are one of the females who is waiting to snatch the salary of their husband.
Otherwise, I know what you will do.
What's wrong with me? Once in a while, I drink. You're lucky. Otherwise, I don't have any other bad habits.
Slowly. This way,
All
this way.
right. I'm
This way.
perfectly all right. Good morning, Mr. Samuel.
Richard! Oh, my dear Richard. After a long time we are seeing, huh? How are you?
Fine, fine. Why do you want to see me so urgently?
I will tell you. Must be seated. Susan, bring tea for us.
Yes, coming.
Mr. Richard,
Hmm?
after coming back from the camp, Clifford has completely changed. During the camp,
During the camp, he was absolutely normal.
I don't know what happened to him, but he's always very thoughtful. Since he's coming back from there,
He's too young, you know. They will get upset over minor things also. I will talk to him. Where is he?
Hello, how are you?
Fine.
Have tea, please.
Thank you.
Mr. Richard,
Hmm?
you can go only after finishing the lunch. Got it?
Sure, sure. Clifford. I didn't say anything about you. You know why? Because it would have been painful for them to know such an indecent incident.
That Hilda incident is concerned. I'm totally innocent, sir.
How can you say that? Don't you know the situation on which you met her?
Perhaps. Perhaps I shouldn't have met her at that time.
Yes, you are right. But what is the use of regretting now? Just forget and be cheerful and try to be active again.
I will try.
Not enough. You have to be good old Clifford. That is what I want and your parents want. Why do you want to give them mental torture? When I see you next time, you should be a completely changed man. Now I am going. Okay?
Hilda, I know you will not expect me.
You again?
Yes, I come again, but not to beg or apologize for forgiveness. Just want to tell you some certain facts. What I am telling you is true. The way I loved you. I love you. These words are not sufficient to express my love towards you.
But
I know perhaps you don't like me.
not that.
Then,
I can see you only as my good friend.
but I can't treat you as a friend.
Me and Jackson,
That's the problem. Even after knowing everything, I'm able to love you more sincerely than him. And ever.
you know, we are about to get married.
I care a damn! Shit. Look, I want to love you till my death. And till the end. You should be with me.
What?
Yes, right in this birth. You should be with me. Just tell me what I have to do for that. I just can't remain without loving you. Please try to understand how deeply I'm in love with you. You should forget the whole world and become mine. Only mine. I'm ready to wait till then. I will wait till the eternity. So, goodbye. One more request. Don't forget me. If you forget me and turn to any other direction, I will forget myself. I will have to forget whom am I.
Come back to me. Yeah, 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 yeah.
At any cost, I must meet Hilda. Yes. She should know whom am I. She must realize how precious is my love. Hilda?
What do you want?
So far I never get any answer from you. And this might be the last time I'm coming here.
You have already said that before.
Yes, you have already said your part, but not that I want from you. I want to know your reaction after hearing what I'm going to say.
I don't have anything to do with you.
I want to know yes or no.
Clifford,
Yes, Clifford. The man who is clear in mind and firm in decision. That's Clifford.
but what do you want me to do?
Just love me and say, I love you, Clifford. Sincerely, that's all.
Impossible.
It is better for you if you get rid of this stubbornness. Hilda, please listen to me what I say. Please.
I don't want to listen. Please go out.
So, you won't change your mind.
No. If you don't go, I will go.
Hilda, wait!
Hilda, don't take this type of revenge on me.
No, please, don't hurt me.
I have no idea at all. You must realize how much I loved you. That's what I want.
Clifford, you may be aware of that. I'm in love with Jackson, isn't it?
I don't want to hear.
So?
You have to be always mine. Yes, always mine.
Clifford!
Ha! Yes, that's the one and only ambition in my life.
It's impossible.
Yes, it's possible. It's
No!
possible. Hilda! Don't! Hilda!
In my next birth, you will be mine. Always mine. Yes, you will be. You only.